Hello, boys and girls. Have you ever been to Build a Bear workshop? If you have, you know it's a lot of fun. Well, we're not going to do something quite that fun today, but we are going to build some bears. Today we're going to build some bears by focusing on the beginning and ending sounds of some words that we've practiced before. Now, these little bear friends here have a picture on them. We're going to say the name of the picture, and we're going to listen to the beginning sound and the ending sound. And we're going to use the letters that make those sounds to give our bears some arms. And then we're going to find it on our worksheet, and we're going to write it down with the letters. All right, here we go, boys and girls. Do you see this first picture? This is a sub sandwich, a submarine sandwich. We say sub for short. All right, let's stretch out the word sub. S-U-B. All right, what did you hear in the beginning of the word sub? All right, Alec? Very good. It did begin with an S. Now, you can glue your arms on at home. I'm going to use tape because it's a little easier for Mrs. Finkel with her hands. All right, so I've got an S in the beginning, so I'm going to put it right there. Now let's listen for the ending sound. S-U-B. Okay, what did you hear? Oh, Alec, you want to do both? Okay, go ahead. Yes, it is a B. There's a B right here. So I'm going to take the arm that has a B on it, and I'm going to build my bear. Boy, when you get all done, you're going to have a nice little bear family, aren't you? All right, boys and girls. Now, we actually started with the trickiest, because our picture of a sub shows a different way to use the word sub. Do you think you know what it might be? All right, go ahead. Caden? Yes, you're right. It's a sub, like a submarine that goes underwater. Yeah, I'm not sure why they changed the picture, but it'll work. Ready? Let's do the S at the beginning and the B at the end. Good. Oh, what was that, Benjamin? You're right. There's a U in the middle. Good job. I knew that you would know. All right, boys and girls, we're going to move over our one bear. And here comes our next. This one shows a van. Are you ready? Okay, Lillian, listen for the first sound. V, V. Yes, ma'am, it is a V. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look for my V. Oh, look, it's hidden up here at the top. I'm going to put a V at the beginning. Now let's listen for the ending sound. N. You're right, it is an N sound. Okay, good job, Mason. Thank you. Van. All right, we built our bear. Now I'm going to look for the van on my worksheet. Oh, there it is. V at the beginning, starting at the middle. N at the end. Straight line down and a hump. All right, good job. Move on over there, little bear. And now, oh, wait a second. I had two vans. You know, I may have given you two extras on accident, too. I'm not sure if I ran it that way. I did doubles on accident. Okay, let's go ahead and do the yam next. Are you ready? Yam. Y. Okay, yeah, that is a little bit hard. We don't use it very often. What do you think, Martin? Oh, why? Good. Just like yak. You didn't get tricked, did you? Yam. Good job. Okay, now the ending sound. Okay, sure. Go ahead and tell us about that. Logan? Yes, it is an M. Good. Yeah, am. So I'm going to pick up my M, and I'm going to put it right on here. And then I'm going to record it on my paper. Yeah. What, Logan? Yeah, I know. I heard the A in the middle, too. You're so smart. Yam. And M is our ending sound. All right, let's move it on over. And here comes our Are you ready? We need a mat. Mat. Are you ready? Okay. Let's stretch that word. Okay, let's go with, sure, Kylie. Yes, it is an M. Good job. We're going to put an M over there. Now let's listen for the ending sound. Mat. Mat. Okay, go ahead. Tell us, Aubrielle. Yes, it is a T at the end. Okay, I'm going to get my T. And I'm going to move it over here. And I've got the mat. Let's write it down. Oh, look, I don't have a mat on this paper. I guess we don't have to write it down. I didn't cut out all the papers and all the bears, so maybe I didn't match those up. Okay, I'm going to put the mat over there. All right, now let's take a look at, oh, what do you have? Is that all you have? Let's see, let me maybe. I didn't give us all the right papers. Looks like we're going to have to change our directions a little bit. Let me just double check and see if I have any extra copies of what I sent home with you. All right. You guys have, oh, that's the Snowy Mountains. We don't have to worry about that yet. We're going to do that one together. Let's look back here. Yep, you have that paper. You've got the mat at the end, the sub, and the yam. Oh boy, look what silly Mrs. Finkel did. She sent us home the same two papers. Can you help me fix my problem? Can you help me sound them out, even if we don't build all of the bears? All right, let's move those over. Yep, we could do two sets. I guess if you are with Marcus today, Nick, you'll each have a set of those. All right, let's just sound these out without a bear. Ready? Bug. B-U-G. Okay, can you help us out, Audrey? Yep, B. That's a B in the beginning. Yeah, you're skipping the middle right now. And the end. G. G. Do you also know that one, Audrey? You're right, it is a G. That's the beginning and ending sound for bug. Okay, uh-oh. This book has a rip. Rip. Okay, go ahead and help us with that. Okay, sure. I would love to have your help. Okay, tell me more about it, Remington. Yes, it is an R in the beginning. Skip the middle. What do you hear at the end? Yes, Remington, it is a P. Good work. Okay, Brooklyn, can you help me with net? Let's stretch it. N-at. What's in the beginning? The letter N. Straight line down and a hump. Very good. At in the middle and T at the end. Good job. All right, who should be sitting here? But the fox. All right, go ahead and help us figure out what we should do for Fox Hunter. Yeah, I hear you. You're going like this. All right, that would be the F. And you got the tricky one at the end, Hunter. Fox. Good job. It is an X. You did not get tricked. Fox. Okay, now down here. We're going to skip sub because remember we used the sandwich for that? I know. I was getting a little tricky. Okay, now let's come over to this one and we're going to do cut. Who can hear the sound from cut? Oh. Okay, you sure, Jackson? Think that one over. It is a C. Some people may have thought it was a K, but it's a C. All right. Do you know what the ending sound is, Nevaeh? T, t. Excellent. It's a T. All right. We've got one more on our paper. I know we've got a few people here to tell on. Okay. Ethan, can you help us out with the beginning of map? Okay. Yes, write a M. And we're going to split this one up, so at least we can call in one more person. Jessie May, how about the ending sound? Good work. It's the letter P. All right. Well, boys and girls, thank you for helping me figure out to do, even though I sent you 2 of the same papers. We still were able to listen to the beginning and ending sounds. You're right. We should be practicing with our name on top, because next week when we come into school, it's going to be very important to write our name on top of all of our papers so we know how to get them home. If you still have any of your name practicing papers for morning work, this would be a great time to practice those. All right, boys and girls, thank you for helping me build our little bears here and find out about beginning and ending sound.